My name is Rafael Alencar, and I work at Bayer Crop Science Division. I am a site controller. Our team takes care of our costing process inside the company, basically forecast, actuals, and budget, and also acting as a business partner for the main stakeholders inside the manufacturing site. We used to have this monthly process where we consolidate our cost. So basically we get the reports from SAP and we consolidate everything in Excel. So with Knime, we had the opportunity to put this in one workflow. So instead of 4 hours, we are now running this in 15 minutes. So it was a huge gain for our process. Knime is being very useful for daily jobs. The feedback that I have from the team so far using Knime is that it's really easy to use. The drag and drop functionality is really interesting for our folks, for our colleagues, because again, you can build your entire workflow just dragging and drop your each node and functionality to your workflow. Two of the main reasons that we decide to use Knime is because it's an open source platform, so the community is big and you can have access to to this knowledge base very easily on the internet and using the hubs and the forums and everything. And another thing is it's a very easy to use platform. Users from the business side and not only data science could be using like the platform, the Knime platform, to maybe replace the Excel